Okay, we have another box break from TradeCardsNow.com. Today we have a Bowman jumbo box. Got 3 autographs inside, 12 packs, 32 cards per pack. Check that out in a second. There are 12 packs. Look at that at the end. Checklist. Cut right into these bad boys. And here we go. Checklist. Chris Carpenter, let's take a look at the cards. And last year's stats on the back. There's a base gold card here. That's what the gold cards look like. Chris Utley, we got some chrome cards. Let's give you a look at what those chrome cards look like. Get 6 of those per pack. First chrome cards, these are all rookies. Nice, got some white cards. That's what the white cards look like. Butler. I'm guessing, all the white cards are actually the rookie cards. Bowman known as home of the rookie cards. Otta. Kevin Hooper rookie card. That's what the rookies look like. Got a Kurt Schilling. Got an insert coming up here. Alex Rodriguez, Road to 500, number 161. Nice looking cards. Okay, pack 1. Find those auto cards. Some rookies. Matt Goodson. Checklist card. Ortiz. Piazza. A lot of base. Carlos Lee. Another A-Rod. Numbered to 130. Barry Zito, gold card. We got any Giant fans there? Got a rookie card. X Factor, numbered to 275. Nice looking card. Still trying to find that auto card. Another rookie, Sean Riggins. Rod 159. Looks like here's one of our auto cards. Bert Siegel. Auto cards are numbered to 500. This one is 18 out of 500. Check out that back. Their gold card. More rookies. Sheffield. Let's see. More Bowman first cards. Feels like you're getting about 15 rookie cards per pack. Probably less than that, but that's what it feels like. Hope for some mojo. Some big name here. Hernandez, Charlie Fairmaint, gold card. Here's our Bowman Chromes. And base cards. We'll be taking pictures, Brandon Webb, of all of these cards and posting them on our website, tradecardsnow.com. So make sure to check those out. Adam Carr, Jason Giambi. Okay, that's a big hit. Scott Olson, Dontrell, Hunter, Ryan Sweeney, Carlos Quinton, Alex Rodriguez 151, Matt Cain Gold, Wells, Marvin Lawrence, Derek Rodriguez, base, Michael Sullivan. Got those print autographs on each card. Greg Maddox, Derek Lee. If anyone's looking to finish off a set, definitely come to our site. Here we go. Oswald Navarro, rookie card.